Hey everyone, for this video we will be unboxing this keyboard that I bought off of a local e-commerce website here in the Philippines, and this is the Redragon K530 Draconic. So this is a 60% Bluetooth wireless keyboard. As you can see from the label, it has dust-proof brown mechanical switches, and those are the second version from Temu. So going around the box, let's see the markings on top, on one side, and on the opposite side. And the back side. And now let's go ahead and open up the box, bring the product out. This keyboard is placed in this inner black carton box, and this inner box has the black version of the Redragon logo printed on the top, and no other markings on the sides and at the back. Opening this inner box up, we will see the keyboard wrapped in this material. Let's put that to the side first and look at the other contents. We have here the manual, which can be useful in learning the key combinations. Here's a box containing some sample Temu switches of different colors, which is a very nice touch done by Redragon. This one would be the keycap puller along with the mechanical switch puller, because it so happens that this keyboard is hot swappable. Over here we have the detachable USB-C cable with a cover in one end, non-braided, and of course we have the Redragon sticker. Putting the inner box aside, let's now look at the keyboard itself. So as mentioned, this is a 60% keyboard. No arrow keys, no numpad, no nav cluster. Here at the bottom, there are 4 rubber feet, 2 of which can be flipped out for users who prefer to lift their keyboard a bit. On the left side, we have the USB-C port, the on and off switch for Bluetooth, the control switch for the Bluetooth modes, and the pilot lamps for the Bluetooth and charging. Here at the bottom, to the right side, we have the Redragon logo in white. So that is it for this unboxing video of the Redragon K530 Draconic wireless Bluetooth keyboard. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please do click that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to see more of this keyboard, watch out as I will be uploading a video of my feedback and general review of it. That should be up on my channel very soon, so do click on the bell icon as well to get notified. Thank you for watching, and see you all in my next videos.